Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to curve text in Canva. First of all, let's go to Canva. Then let's create a new design. You can select anything from here, but for now I'm selecting the Instagram post. And on the left hand side, you will see something like Design Elements Text. Click on the text one. Add a heading. Then let's just type here. Now let's click on the text again and a menu bar will open from which we can change the text's font, size, bold italics, its color, and so on. Let's click on Effects. A new sidebar will open on the left hand side. Scroll down and you will see something like a curve. Click on it. Now you see your text has curved. If I further scroll down on the left hand side on the Effects section, you will see something like a curve. Let's just drag this down. Using this, we can curve our text to any extent we wish. You can do anything like this. And once you're satisfied, just leave it. Well guys, that is how you curve a text in Canva. For more informative videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.